Hello everyone, this is a case study of fracture mechanics or failure investigation. We have today this case study, the door handle. It's made from plastic or thermoset polymer, and it's connected with two screws as shown in this video. And if we look to the crack propagation, how the crack can grow around the two screws until the final failure. As explained, this is a thermosetting polymer subjected to, or this door handle subjected to the cyclic loading from this side, and the crack was propagated from this point and turned around the two screws, because the high stress or the high stress locations is usually around the two holes. The crack path or the crack propagation and behavior is similar to another case study was simulated before. Actually, I simulated also the crack propagation between the two balls or two holes in sheet metal and panels, and the crack path was similar to this case study. Again, this side of load or cyclic load application. Therefore, if we look to the region or the fracture area, is consist of two parts. The first part or the inside part where the crack initiated is a little smooth or smoother than the second part. The second part little rough and has scratches, and because this is the type of fatigue fracture. Thank you.